Y'all, this wig, this color is just in time for the spring and summer. This hair is one that you need all the details about, so keep on watching because this is one you definitely do not want to miss. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're returning, what's up? How you doing? Thanks for coming back with your girl. But listen, let me get right into these details. Beauty forever. Yes, I just did a dramatic pause. I love these highlights. I love the construction of this wig and how convenient it was to already be highlighted to perfection and just really easy to put on. Straight out of the packaging, I can tell that the quality was definitely there, and just look at how it's pre-plucked. The construction is so good. It even has a C near the ear part suitable for wear, and it has a bare hook strap that's more safe and secure, and it prevents it from rolling and feeling too tight on the forehead. It's just overall such a great construction. I did go in and tint the lace using some lace tint mousse. I'm going to show you guys that a little later on, but this is the first look. I love that it came pre-curled, and I'm the type of person that love light curls, that nice airy soft look. So once I combed these curls out, it was just the perfect look for me. It's giving beach, it's giving vacation, it's giving spring and summertime. To install this wig, I am going in with my Gots to Be glue gel, just something quick and convenient. I do like going in with Gots to Be, but you want to make sure that you're cleaning the surface of your hairline before applying the Gots to Be. Because I did tint this lace, I knew I would have a little something on my forehead. Look at that, just a little bit, but we did go ahead and take that off. And now I'm applying that Gots to Be to the hairline right in front of my wig cap. If you have oily fingers, you can use the rat tail comb, something to apply this Gots to Be. I don't have issues with that, so that's why I use my fingers. And y'all, this is the lace tint mousse. I'm a little ashamed to show y'all because it gets messy, okay? It gets messy, but it does what it needs to do. This is the perfect shade for me in the summertime, and I just love how it looks on my wigs. The next few clips is me installing this wig, so I'll come back to you all once it's installed. You could always opt to add more curls, but personally, I love the loose, airy, flowy look with body wave hair. So I went ahead and combed out some of those curls. You guys can see they came already pre-curled for you, so you can do what you would like to do with them. But this hair texture, just look at that, y'all. So pretty. It's not dry. Sometimes you have wigs that are highlighted. The quality is just dry and unmanageable. This hair, y'all, look at it. Exactly. I know y'all see that. I am too excited. Next, I'm going to be adding some baby hairs to this unit. If you want to go for the no baby hair look, you do what you do for you. But for me, I need to be some baby hairs. I have not done some in a while, and this color just eats down with the baby hairs. I'm going to need you guys to stay tuned for a TikTok that I'm making to show you guys how to style this wig in cute little trendy styles for the spring and summer. So please feel free to check that out once it's posted. But at this point in the video, I'm going to let y'all vibe out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, all the information on this hair will be down below. And I'm so happy to have a wig that's already pre-highlighted, so I don't have to do that myself. At this point in the video, I'm about to go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
You're mine for sure.